Welcome back guys to a new video. So in last video I have explained you the commands in Python. So in this video I am going to explain variables. This is the part 1 of the variables and let's start. So I have opened the anti-gravity. Main.py I have already created it. Okay, this is the escape sequence characters now. I'll just delete it and I'm going to start from 0 the variables. Yes, so what the variables are, you must have this doubt. Variables are like a containers. They are storing units in which you can store your data. So firstly you need to write the variable name. It is not case sensitive. It's not case sensitive. Okay, and like I have added variable name as. Now I need to define this a as a variable. For that we will add 1 equals to and then we will press space. After that you can add your data like numbers or strings or boolean. Okay, true, false, null, and what is spelling this? And none. Yes, none. Null type. And variables are can also be used for taking inputs. I'm going to tell you in the next video. Firstly you only just remind that what variables are. These are like containers. Like I added a as Manpreet, and I print a. Be careful that you if you are printing a variable you must not add the these colons. Like if I have added print over the both and see the difference. Now if I run this, firstly Manpreet comes and then a. Why? Because I have added commas, so the Python thinks um it is a string. So I just need to like just take it up and place it over here. And if Python sees a, it thinks it's a variable, a defined thing. So it tries searching for it before this second line. Like if I added multiple lines are here. At between I added p r I and print like b. I added b over here, and then at down I defined b as 55. Now if I run this, it must give an error. Run. So it gives an error. Why? Because Python only searches for b in these lines, not in after that one. So you must define a variable before printing it. Okay, so and you can also do calculations with a variable. Like if I added a equals to 5, b equals to like 7, and you see I have added a over here and then a over here. If I print a like here, so it will print Manpreet. And if I print a over here, it will print 5. Why? Because variable means variable, means the things that can change. So if you override that variable with the new value, or a new data type, it will change to that. Okay, you got it now. Like if I print, so see, like these are a plus b. I have printed a. Firstly, a is Manpreet, then a is 5. Okay, then I printed b, then this is 7, and then I printed the sum itself. It's good. Okay, and you can also write the powers. I think I need to do that. Okay, after variables I'm going to do that. Okay, just it's good. After the variables I'm going just operators and operands. I'm going to explain you all that, so don't worry about that. We are just going too fast. Okay, we are going too fast. We haven't problem anything about. Okay, so after that, there are also some limitations about the starting name of the variables. Like you can start the variable name with alphabets, with capital alphabets, and you see, if I add this a over here, capital A equals to 6. Okay, and now over here, if I p or int print capital A, now see, what is this? 5, 6, and then 7. You got it? That if you write AMAN and then you write the same variable name as AMAN, it changes. Like now there are multiple ways to write that. Okay, now um, there are some limitation that I have told you. Firstly, you can write it in small, you can write in capital alphabets. I think you can add the like this, it will be also declared as variable. Okay, you can't add space, I added that. Now if I think you can't, yes, you can't add numbers, but you can't add these extra things at in between. There is no problem in that thing. Like if I edit man, then I edit this thing and I edit this value. Okay, no minus. So this, will it be? No. I think guys you can't add that also. Okay. So for what you can add, small capital alphabets at starting only. Okay. And I don't think you can add that starting. Yes. Let me all I also try with you. You can't. And what about the underscore? You can. It's good. Like if I try, no error. Okay, some limitations are over here, but the thing you need only the small and capital alphabets. Your work will also be good for the small one. Okay, it's a typical question that what are the limitations, because it's hard to remember. But if you and like how can we remember, like if we do practice of it, who wants to add underscore at the first? Tell me. No one. um Sometimes we need to write the digit over here, it's good, but who wants to add this underscore over here? No one. um it may very less chances. Okay, so this means for this video, I will meet you in the next video.